Hello my friends and welcome to Paging app. In this app we are going to fetch the movies from the moviedb.org website using the API, of course, and we are going to include the paging library in Android Studio in order to display all the data and all the movies in a very impressive recycler view that displays the movie and the rating, of course, following the MVVM pattern. And we are going to introduce the dagger and hilt. So in this project, we are going to combine the MVVM, the dagger, the paging library that we have learned about it. So we will start by adding the dependencies. So let's go to the Gradle. I have created a new project called Paging app, and I will go to build.gradle at the level of the model, and I will add some dependencies for the libraries. So there are a lot of libraries that we are going to add. Our friend Retrofit, we have seen how to implement it in the previous videos, so I will make it fast. Retrofit and insert the latest version. To get the latest version, we click on the GitHub symbol and icon, and here we scroll down for the latest versions and get the 2.9.0. Okay, now we need, of course, with Retrofit the converters. I will use the JSON. I will scroll up, JSON here. I will go to here and implement the JSON, of course. I will use the converter also. Here, the converter. Going to here, I will use the implementation of converter of JSON. Okay, and I will add the 2.9.0. okay, this is for implementation of Retrofit. I will click on sync now in order to start downloading the libraries. The next library that I'm going to use is called the paging library, that it is the source and the main goal of learning and creating this app. So the paging library, as we have talked about it, helps you load and display pages of data from larger data set from local storage or over network. So think about this, the TMDB, this we have 1 million movie. I need, or the user, when he used the app, he need to use only and display only the first 20. So we are not going to get the 1 million movie at like first and in bulk way. This is called bulk way. So I don't need to get and fetch 1 million movie. I need to get only 20 movies according to the demands of the user. So the paging library helps me to make this according to the demands of the user from a larger data set, either from local storage or over network. In our case, we are going to use the over network. So I scroll down here in the setup, and I will use this. This is the paging library, and here I will use the RX Java 3 support for paging library. So this is here, and here we have introduced the paging library version 3. So this is one of the rarest things and tutorials on over internet, because there are a few documentation for the paging 3 libraries. So you are very lucky to be in our course in order to learn the latest tutorials and latest concepts. Now, the next library is called the Dagger Hilt dependencies. So go to dagger.dev/hilt/Gradle setup, and we are going to scroll to here for the Hilt dependencies and implement this. Okay, this is for Hilt Dagger. I will click on sync now in order to start downloading. Okay, and if we scroll down here, we need to apply the plugins. So I will copy it, apply the plugins here. Above, I can put it here, apply plugins. Okay, and I need to use the class path here in the build or Gradle on the project. I will paste the class path, and here the Maven Central, I will show it is already here. I will click on sync now, and everything should be fine. And as I told you that the hilt or the dagger is used for dependency injections, and that we have talked about it in many videos inside this course. Now, the next library is called the Glide. This is our old friend. This is for displaying the images. I will copy this dependency. I will go to here, scroll and put Glide, and I will paste it. Sync now, and I will check that Google repository is included inside the build.gradle paging app, and it's included. Okay, this is how to use the Glide. Now, the last library that we are going to use is the Android Lifecycle, and we have seen this in many videos before. I will scroll down to the Java section. This is for the Kotlin section, and we will see it in the next courses, the Android Kotlin developer course. I will copy this, and I will scroll down to here, Lifecycle, and I will copy the ViewModel. I will copy this. This is the ViewModel, and this is the LiveData. And what we need, annotation processor, helpers. Okay, so I think we are ready now to sync, and this is the libraries that we have implemented. If we have any missing library, we will add it throughout the course. Okay, so don't worry, we have added these libraries successfully, and we are going to start building our paging